My model blocks a lot of text and stuff in this game, which is big sad, and I am big sorry. I'm gonna move my model to the other side of the screen for future videos so this happens less. Okie dokie, onto the video. Hello there, and welcome to The Night of the Scissors. This is a horror game about being chased with scissors. Sounds absolutely terrifying. Horrifying. I'm scared. Let's do it. That's right, kitty. Meow.
I told you this thing was heavy. I couldn't have lifted it on my own. Stop crying, you chicken. Screw you, Cav. I'm ready to break in. What's the plan, then?
This post office has been abandoned for months, and nobody has entered since. There's plenty of trash we can sell. Trash? You're not gonna get a shiny buck for trash, man. I hate to be the bearer of bad news.
Man, I can't wait to make some money and hit the bong once again.
Life goals.
Make sure that no one's around, especially the cops, while I'm inside.
Don't let that shutter roll down. The wood log should do the job, and it should do the job, though. Sure. He sounds real confident. Head to the back part of the building. That's where the good stuff is.
Fair enough. I'm gonna take a couple minutes. I'll be right back.
Alright, so we're a robber. We're a bad person? Alright. To control out and press the WASD or arrow keys. Oh, it's one of these. Oh, I've never played this. This is very Resident Evil-esque. And I've never played Resident Evil. So this will be interesting. Just wanted regular is dead soda vending machine. Sure, just your average everyday is dead. I know those. Those are everywhere. Open this door and interact with the environment by pressing the E, spacebar, or enter key. If you prefer, you may use the mouse click. I'll just use E. Thanks. Staff room. Let's go. Go back. Oh, I wish I could. I'm this setup right now, it's really gearing up to be a really scary horror game. I'm scared. Toggle the flashlight with the F key. In case Adam is in a hurry, run by pressing the shift key. Okay, good to know. Press the escape key to pause. Keep in mind, you can only pause while Adam is hidden and safe. Okay. Oh, the camera does move. That's kind of nice. In here. Hello? Help? Anybody? Oh, safe. I don't have numbers for you, buddy. Wrong combination. Yeah, 000. I can't think of many people that would probably do that. Okay. So this is the place with the combination safe. Okay. This door. So it's locked. Okay, so maybe I need a key for that. Brother, is this really worth it? Is whatever you're stealing, it's trash, guy. You're not gonna get very much for trash.
Holy shit. Was it the metal shutter in the entrance?
I should check just in case. Oh, did that go down? I told you, dude. I told you to keep it up. Now we're screwed. And by we, I mean I. Looks closed to me. Uh-oh. Kevin, are you there? You knock the shutter. Nobody answers. Oh, no. Kevin's dead. Oh, man. See, trash is not worth your life. No. Now we're minus a best friend. This was not worth it. You should have listened to the wall. Go back. What does this say? We're looking for new talents. I don't have talents. I don't even have friends now.
Scissors on the wall. Oh, God.
Hello? Any men in here? Any men? Hello? Any men taking poops in here? Oh, it's a hiding place. Oh, I don't need to poop. But if I need to hide, it's stuck. Okay. I need to find some items for things. Crowbars, perhaps. I am a male. I shouldn't be going in here, but dire times. It's stuck. Okay. What about this one? Oh, another hiding place. Okay, good. Good to know. Hiding places are always good. I can't think of times when they're not good. It's a piece of a newspaper article.
It's a fact. The snipper is undoubtedly still out there. Some transients claim hearing scissor sounds at the metro station while they are waiting alone, but nothing serious had happened. The police had searched every corner of the metro system without success. This is creepy.
Yeah, leave. Leave or die. Leave or die. Oh, I haven't checked any trash cans. Nothing of interest in here. Well,
A lot of good that did me.
oh, I don't think I went in here. You scared the bejesus out of me. What even are you? A silhouette of a person made out of cardboard? Looks like a businesswoman. Who did this? That's so creepy. Take your cardboard women with you. Freaking your waifus. Get them out of here. It's locked. It's locked. It's locked. They're all locked. Oh, hiding place. All again, good to know. What about through here? I don't think I went in here. Nope. I gotta check everything. I can't just leave things. An archive of supply orders. Okay. Nothing. I didn't go to this side of the room. Let's go to this side of the room. Computer? Post parts of this computer are missing. Can we fix it? Can we be the IT guy? Can we be the man? Can we fix it? You freaking bet. Oh. Hello? The note was written with poor handwriting and the paper is covered with blood. It states the following. I fed the soda vending machines and I taught my new friends a lesson. I've lost the kitchen key. Okay. So vending machines. Check the vending machines.
I didn't forget about you, door.
Hello. You and your freaking silhouettes. You and your... Ooh. Hello. Seems to be waving. Hello. Hello, stranger. This door's locked. Regular old vending machine. The note mentions something about these. Should I kick it? Yeah, sure. You kick the vending machine. Soda can rolls out. Yeah, but what about the soda can? Do I have that now? Wait, inventory. Pause not allowed. But I wanna. Okay. Why is that? Was that always glowing? The store's locked. I'm gonna find the kitchen key. Oh. I guess I don't have that. But I will. Oh, I will. I will find you. Someone was sitting in the timeout corner. Nice painting. I also like birds. A beautiful picture of a seagull. I wonder who took it. I don't know. But I like their taste. Oh, and there's so many hiding places. Like, yeah, great, hiding places, but also, my life, I'm scared. There's a lot of information about important clients in these files. Take them all. Just throw them all out. Be chaotic. Ultimate chaos reign. So the soda cans roll out, but I'm guessing they're not of interest to me. I don't need them. Huh? Wait. Was this blood here before? I don't remember seeing this before. I think I'm not alone. Kevin? I'm gonna kick it. Oh, wait, a piece of flesh came out? Oh, I think I found what I was looking for, unfortunately. The vending machine literally puked this disgusting piece of flesh. Seems like there's something inside of it. I got the kitchen key. Alright, let's go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. It's so quiet. I feel like I can hear my heartbeat in my head. Dude, this is not worth it at this point. Dude, your life is on the line. Kevin's life was on the line, and now he's dead. Use the kitchen key. Okay. What's this? I found the saw. What do I do with that? Someone got cornered and dismembered in this room. Such a horrible way to die. What a horrible room! Oh, I don't want to be in here. What do I use the saw even for? It's all rusty here. I don't need to wash my hands now. I feel like you do. Just being in here. I like how you could just go in a room and like, you know what? No. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, the party's out. Oh, no. Oh. Oh no, I hear scissors, dude. I hear scissors. I hear snipping. No. leave, I guess? I don't know where the heck he went. But he doesn't sound close anymore, at least. I'm gone. Peace. Oh, wait, there's there's a leg on the table now. It's all full of flesh and blood. I don't want to be here. Can we leave? Dude, even you're saying you don't want to be here anymore. Then let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh, wait, can we escape through here, maybe? The saw will come in handy for this. Use the saw. Let's go. Let's leave. We don't need to be here anymore. Then let's go. Let's skedaddle. Let's freaking go. I feel like there's something useful around here. Oh, why does there always have to be something useful? My heart is jumping out of my chest. I really wish I had a heart rate monitor right now because my heart rate is... I don't think I'm a human anymore. My heart rate's going so fast. I should be dead. It's a piece of a newspaper article. Marie Caldwell, 34 years, female. Jeremiah Curtis, 29 years, male. Harold Blair, 76 years, male. And Nathan Watson, 24 years, male, were reported missing within 3 days. They do not know each other and have nothing in common except they went for a late-night walk. Police suspects that they could have been abducted and recommends not leaving home during the nighttime. And look where we are. At nighttime. One of the worst places to be. At nighttime. What are you doing? This is what being a bad person gets you, kids. Okay? Don't steal. Especially trash. What are you doing? If you're gonna steal, be smart. Don't be like this guy. Don't be like this guy. This guy's an idiot. I guess there's nothing in here. Okay. I'm leaving then. It's just locked from the other side. Mail advertisement. Is dead soda vending machine. Oh. Big room. Big room can mean big problems. Go in that other room in a Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Wait, he's behind me. Wait, he's in here. Wait, no, he's in here. Oh, wait, no, he's not. I don't know where he is. I can't tell. I'm just in the dark. I can't tell where he is. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Back up. Go, 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 go. No, I need my innards. I need my innards. Frick, dude. Okay, so he's there. Okay. What the Well, that was awful. Oh, wait, I can sprint. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I can sprint. I'm just so scared. I don't want to make noise. I want to make as little noise as, like, humanly possible. Floor collapsed on the spot. I can see some power generators from here. I need a rope to go down if I want to keep my ankles, which I do. I think. Oh, he's around. Little VHS marks are getting all crazy. That means he's around. What's this? What are you? This is a panel that opens the electric shutter to the left. It might be working, but I have to manage to turn on the power generator. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Rope! Pallet truck! No, I'm talking about the rope. No, the rope. Rope. Please. Got the rope. Okay, great. Awesome. Now go! No, dude! No, dude! Not my innards again! Do I still have the rope? I doubt it. Oh, I do still have the rope! Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I can go down by using the rope. Okay, go. Get out of here. Are you okay? Yeah, you're fine. That rope seems sturdy. I don't know how it got cut. Oh, no. Luckily, I haven't gotten injured, but how long I've been unconscious, though? Maybe an hour? Who knows? Oh, that son of a... Of course. Okay. All right. We're fine. Fine. The warehouse generator power's on. I may escape through the exit shutter now, but now he knows we're down here. Probably. Who is this dude? Why is he here? Another note written with blood. Did you rest well? I have prepared a good surprise to entertain you in the next room. You touch my scissors, you die. I can't wait to turn you into my friend. Okay, no. You don't sound like a friend. You sound like a freaking psychopath. I don't want to. I'm not friends with psychopaths. I tend to make that very clear with people. What surprise do you have for me? Oh. Oh. Scissors. He said if you touch the scissors, you die. So do I literally have to just be really freaking careful? I think so. I think I just have to be really careful with my movement. I can do that. That's not too bad. I can manage. This isn't too bad. Jigsaw from Saw is way better traps than you do, buddy. This is amateur hour. I could do this all day. This is that was stupid. Try harder next time. Flawless handicap. Don't trigger the cellar alarm. I got an achievement. I'm too good for you, buddy. Door. Hello? Hiding place. Yup. Okay, good to know. Now the hiding places are gonna make a difference. I also need to remember I can run. I just don't, I want to make as little noise as humanly possible. Don't do that to me. Silhouette made out of personal cardboard. It seems like an old man wearing a hat. Well, aren't you just precious?
Get out of my way.
Oh, it's this door. Okay. Oh, there's so many places around here. So many areas to go. It's an old note written by a supervisor. It states the following. Karen, I'm still unsure, but the employees may have been stealing again from the supply room. I've put the key in the safe box on customer support room just for prevention. The lock combination is 3482. Don't grab the cash. It's the collections of the day. Oh, I'm grabbing that cash. See, I came here for trash. I'm grabbing cash. And maybe a little ass. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. Nope. No, dude, dude.
My organs! Stay away from my organs! Stay away from my organs!
Man. Someone was tortured to death in this room. I have a bad feeling. I've had a bad feeling. Oh, sometimes I get a bad feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that I'm gonna be killed and stabbed to death. Oh yeah, I get a bad feeling. Oh, I think this is it. Yup. Okay. 3482, 3482, 3482, 3, 4, 8, 2. Yes! Got the supply room key. And the cash, right? Holy shit, there's a bunch of money here. You got cash stacks. Yes, profit. Find the cash stacks. If I'm going to come in here and risk my life, I'm at least going to get something out of it. Sweet. Okay, so now where's this key go? No. Frick, Yo. Every time. It's every time. Now I'm here. Oh no! What? Well, at least I got the achievement already. Oh. I don't think I've gone all the way upstairs yet. Huh? Door's locked. Supply room! Perfect! Is there anything? No, I don't think so. Okay. Use the supply room key. Cool. Tape. Got the duct tape. What do I do with that?
What do I do with that? Man. No. 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 Oh, that's horrible to hear in my ears. God, that's stressful. Tape, tape, tape. What can I do with tape? Lever that opens this electric shutter was ripped off. That sucks. Use the duct tape to rewire the panel? Nice. Police! Oh, red and blue! Oh. Yay. You live another day, at which cost? I got an achievement. That's quite the ending. Thank you for playing. Oh, and then it goes back. Man, I really wish that I had a heart monitor for this game, because the entire time, I mean, even when the Scissor Man wasn't there, okay, my heart was struggling. And every time you hear those little scissors, then the music picks up and you're just like, oh my god, I'm screwed. Great game. Great game. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and perhaps I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.